You have your media by keys and then your categories are not present and impressions and clicks. Wherever impressions are, there are no clicks. Wherever clicks are, there are no impressions. Media by category is not present. And then media by 1, 2, 3, and then 1 has the media by 1, 2 and 1 has 3. This is not coming in the right format as well. If you tell me that you know why is data coming in where it should not have. Because these dimensions are referring to one another and they are putting the media by names. But do not be concerned, these can be like you know. This will be default values whenever we set it in Harmonization Center. But matter of fact is not. That matter of fact is. Media by category is one of the new things. That needs to be classified and impressions and clicks need to come up. Right, and because they are not sliced. Now let's do the way you see it. Let me go back to data streams list and you see, PC1 will be my parent. So I'll abide by that. So whatever you choose as parent, the other one has to be the child. Right. So never do. So this one, you want to be the parent, right? PC11. So always you need to edit the child data stream, don't edit the parent data stream, or else you'll keep on searching and you won't get it. So this is your child data stream. Okay, you go over here. And you do an edit. Go to parent child and search PC. So okay. So you see PC11 is now the parent of PC22, and see what difference does it make. Do remember that in Datorama. Whenever you have made a change, at whatever level, if you want to see it effective, do refresh. If you don't refresh, you won't see any changes happening. Because, yeah, Datorama is a bit confused in those terms. Okay, so now you see, you were correct. So we needed to have that as the parent, and now, when we have it, we see that we have all the things classified properly, right? Now this is called parent, child within entities. Okay, now let's see an example which will be parent, child across entities. Now let's talk of hierarchy. We have mentioned hierarchy in our OK. Now we have two data sets. In one we have date, we have media by key, we have media by name, campaign name, site name, impressions, and in the other data set we have media by key, media by name and clicks. So we have discussed right that we need to always consider data stream with full hierarchy to be the parent. So here we see a data set which has the full hierarchy, and we determine it by media, by key name, campaign name, site name, everything is presented there and we have clicks over it. Now, it's the same scenario. I'm not asking anyone. I know you guys will give me the correct answer. So I'm considering the fact that we will take the data stream, one that is PC1 to be the parent and PC2 to be the child. But let's see what happens if we take the other data set now comes. I don't know. I guess Salman had asked this question right, that if we take the child which we were supposed to be the parent. So let's be no right, we need to do it this way, but let's do the other way. Let's take PC2 to be the parent and PC1 to be the child. Now my data looks like this, it is not aligned. It is nowhere close to aligned. We have all defaults and all these things happening. So let's go over here. Which one? We want it to be the parent PC2. So we will edit PC1 and we will edit and we will go to parent child and we will take PC2 as my parent, that's it. Process processed. Okay, processed, so let's go back. Let me refresh. So you see what has happened, and campaign name and site name was not present in the other data set, right? In this guy. PC2. PC2, we didn't have the campaign name and campaign name. I go somewhere else. Campaign name. Site name. We didn't have, so campaign name and site name has become default. However, because media by key was the same, it has given me the correct clicks and impressions have got merged together. But these two went for a toss because these two were not present and your data stream didn't have this, so it will return a default value. Okay, this is what happens when you choose a wrong parent. Wrong parent sounds funny. And another one thing, if you want to remove the parent and child, can we make this changes? Can we update it? Removing the I didn't get you. You mean if I can go back to the original stream? Yes, 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 yes. That's how I'm working, right? So that's what I did while I unshared. Now, this is your parent, right? You have identified. This is not working. So you do an edit. You go below. You have this, you select a none. And you save it off.